Hey guys, working on a T6 here, Ford Ranger 2011 to 2015. Same chassis as the PX1, PX2, PX3. So we're putting a Safari Bullbar on today. Just want to show you how a lot of guys email us and message us how do we need some fitting instructions. So this is the cradle, as you can see over here. This is the winch bracket, so it can take a winch on here, which reinforces the bullbar. You put the winch on here instead of bolting it the old way where the winch gets bolted onto the bullbar, it gets bolted onto the cradle. Winch basically can only go one way. All the holes are up there. These are your holes for the bullbar that will slide into. If you guys come over here, we get a lot of phone calls saying, what's these pieces? If you can see over here. So it's this L-looking brackets, it just reinforces it. So one bolt from the top has 3 bolts over here and 1 bolt through in there. That basically just reinforces the cradle a little bit more. A lot of inquiry on that, where does that go? So if you can see over here again, 1 bolt on the top, 3 bolts on the side, sits right behind the chassis mount, where it just ends just right there. Okay. Also, when you're installing it, you want to make sure your wires are down, ready to go. So one for your blinker, one for your parker, and obviously your earth, okay? Also, just another little trick of the trade, you also might want to spray the inside of the guard liner in here, black. It just, once you put on the bullbar, it just has a nice little finish to it as well, just the finishing touches. Some people spray all under there, which is, you know, you won't see it anyway, but that's another one. That's step 1. We'll go on to step 2. That's it.